Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on your Instacart account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in instacart.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Instacart website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken into your homepage. Now click on the account icon at the bottom right corner and then click on your account settings. This will now take you into your settings page, from which in order to change your email address, just click on the change button alongside your email. You will now be asked to enter your desired new email address. Type in this email address and then type it in once again for confirmation and then click on continue. You will now be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your original email address. So log into the email address that you signed up with and you will find the verification code. Just enter this code within the given box and now you will be taken into your login page. Now you can just type in your new email address that you already provided and then click on the continue button. And now you will be asked to check this new email address to find your verification code. So check within the inbox of this new email address and you will find your verification code. Type in this code within the given box and now you will be logged into your Instagram account once again, and you will see that your email address has also been changed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on your Instacart account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.